this video I am going to share about how to create a custom components. Custom components mean here we can create our custom components, our own components here. In this video I will share about how to create this component. In this video mainly I will share about the file structure, folder structure, how to create a component folder, and in the next video I will start writing codes and create components. So let's go to our project folder. Here this is my Joomla 5 project folder, and we can create components in components for both admin side and client side, that means front end and back end. So in this video I am going to share about how to create admin in admin side. There are two types of components, for admin and for site. So to create for admin, we have to create an administrator folder, and to create for site we have to create in these components. So now I'm going to create an admin, so I have to create this administrator, and there in components here we have to create our custom component. I will create a new folder. Let's give this test, because we are creating components, so we have to start with com letter, com underscore and the folder name. So in this test we have to create our components, files and folders, and we can create our custom component. Since components in Joomla 5 use MVC pattern, MVC mean model view controller, so we have to create model folder, view folder, controller folder in this our custom component. Before creating model view controllers, we have to create XML file and PHP file for entry point. We have to create XML file and PHP file for the initial entry for the component. So I will give the name as the project, the folder name test.xml, and the next one is test.php. So we have to create these two files first, and then let's create our folders, model, views, controllers. I will show you the file structure for this custom component. So this is the file structure of our project. So under administrator, under components folder, we have created comtest folder, and this model view controller and test.php, test.xml. So now we have to create controller page, model page, and views. So let's create, and there also index.html and components. So let's create in, sorry, not in controller, in the project directory. This is not very necessary, but these two files we have to create first, and model views controller. So in controller I will create test controller dot php. In models I will create in models test model.php, and in views folder we have to first create a folder that's equal with the project name, for example test, and under this we have to create view.html.php, and there in the test folder we have to create another folder tmpl for template. Under tmpl we have to create default.php. Now we have create our simple component file structure. Here you can see, and our administrator and our components, we created a test component, and that in the comtest directory we create test.xml, test.php, index.html, these three files, and three folder: controller, models, and views. And our controller test controller.php, and our models test model.php, and our views we create a folder test, and under that test folder we create a php file of view.html.php, and also under test we have to create a template folder, and under that we have to create default.php. So this is the basic structure of component development. Now we have created our basic file structure for component development. In the next video I will start writing codes and explain you how to create custom components. So in this video I share about the structure of component development, file structure of component development, and how to give the file names. So thank you very much for your attention.